Okay, so folks, when it comes time to saving a design that works, and remember, a design that works is one that when you press the run simulation button, the truck makes it successfully across the bridge. Okay, so when it comes time to actually save this design, what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, scroll down to Save As, and where it says Documents, I have no idea where Documents are. So what you're going to do is you're going to look for X marks the spot. And by that I mean local disk X. So if you just want to remember that by X marks the spot, just like in the old pirate maps, we're going to choose that. G drive stands for Google Drive. So if you double click on that, it may take a moment or two to open up, but it should pull up your Google Drive. Now, we're doing this assignment in 7th grade, so what you should see is your Tech 7 folder. So if, oops, I went a little too far there. So I've got my Tech 7 folders here. You notice I've got a few different ones. You know, if I was, you're going to have, just one that says Tech 7. So you're going to pick, let's say this was my Tech 7 folder. Or let's see, I'll go ahead and I'll get to the one that says Tech 7. I know this isn't for this year, but let's say it was. Double click on that. Sometimes you have to hit the folder. Now I'm in my Tech 7. Down here, make sure you save your design as your last name and then whatever iteration it is. So if this is the first one you've done, type in 1, period. The period will already be there, so you just really need to type in 1. If you're not really sure, make sure you save it as bridge design file. Okay, when you change it from all files shows anything that is in that folder. If you say bridge design file, it'll only show bridge design. So you notice that all those 2 files that were there disappeared. That's because they were not bridge design files. Okay, once you do this, you can say save bridge design as, and I just successfully saved it. And up here you can see it's saved in the X drive, in my Google Drive, Tech 7, period 8, botting 1, BDC, which is the suffix for the bridge building program and the files that they make. Make sure you save this, because when it comes time to turn in your finished design, you're going to be able to use any of the ones that you've saved. Okay, obviously you're going to pick the best one that you did, meaning the lowest possible cost. So you notice mine really wasn't that low. That's okay. I'm going to try to get it down further, but I just wanted to do this video on how to correctly save to your Google Drive into your Tech 7 folder so that you can turn this in when it is due. Thank you.